Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Situated in the East Armour Heights area of Kingston is this 2,500 square feet fixer-upper. The house is situated on a little over 3/4 of an acre of gently sloping land. The house has great potential for development and renovation. It boasts large living and entertaining spaces, large garden areas, helpers' quarters, home office, and lots of room for expansion and renovation. The area is peaceful, quiet, and situated close to the popular business districts of Manor Park and Super Valu Town Centre, the Constant Spring Golf Course. Schools such as Immaculate, Hillel, Emmanuel, and a few churches are also in very close proximity. Being a renovator's dream, this house could be your dream home. Make this your investment. Guys, let's take a look at this house, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 85 million or US $552.2 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.